everyone, in front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, go to contacts then, and pick the one that you wish to apply this profile picture to. Now click on edit icon and select photo. You can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me choose something from the gallery. Let's open photos or gallery, it's up to you. Okay, so actually this one is empty. Let me choose let's take a photo, sorry. Obviously you can do it, but let me pick something from my own gallery. One more time. Photo, choose photo, and now we can select the photo. Now you can customize it however you like, however you wish to have it, and then tap on confirmation mark. Click on save then, and that's it. From now on the picture is assigned to this contact. Okay, let me just save it properly. Okay, so now it is saved. Here you've got the confirmation, and anytime Tim will be calling me, I will be able to see this profile picture at first. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.